Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to browse the internet on Xumo TV in 2026. Now, Xumo TV don't come with a built-in web browser like phones or computers, but you can still access the websites using a simple workaround. So first of all, you need to turn on your TV. After that, you need to come on the home page. Then you need to go to the app section. In the app section, you just have to basically look for some of the apps like YouTube. You can look for Google search or any app that allows text input or links. Now, when you open YouTube and search for a website like google.com or any of the news websites, many videos include the clickable links in the description. So you can select one of those links. It will open in the web style page inside the TV system. Another easy option is with the help of screen mirroring. So on your phone or on your laptop, you can open the website that you want. For example, let's say you want to open the Xumo.com website. So you can turn on screencast or AirPlay on your device, and then you can connect to your Xumo TV. So your TV will mirror your screen and it is going to let you browse normally. So this is the smoothest way to browse the internet on Xumo TV. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.